This screw is Qpower2. Okay, so first of all, just turn off your electric scooter. Okay, first of all, just make sure now it's turned off. And then you can see it, check this way. We have many screws here, many screws. So second, you can use tool, turn all screws away. When you take all screws away and you try to open screw deck and you find it's very hard to open because we use so many waterproof glue here, this way, both sides. We use many waterproof glue here, so you will feel very hard to open it. So you have to use this tool, this one. You can use this one here, maybe 2 minutes to 5 minutes, this way and this way, both sides. And then you can very easy open screw deck. By the way, you can use this one, box cutter, through in here like this. Okay, now I can very easy open my screw deck. And then please check this way. We have two light poles here. This one and this one is work for your LED light on screw deck. I just open. Now you can see LED lights work. So just pull out this one and this one. Okay, now you can check LED light is not work. Okay, so if you want open screw deck, please make sure this one and this one is connected or not. Please pull out this one and this one. So now it's finished. I just open my screw deck. So when you change new battery or controller and finish, you want to install your screw deck back. Before you do that, please make sure light port, two light port is connected or not. And you can check this way. See, we have so many waterproof glue here. So if you want keep waterproof function, you can use this one, waterproof glue again. You can use waterproof glue again and make sure two light port is connected or not. And finally, you can pull on your screw deck back. Okay, and then you can use screws back and finish. If you want control or change LED light by your cell phone, you have to install this one. In this video, I will show you how to install this one. First of all, you can check this way. We have two very small screws here. So just use tool. Okay. Now you can check this way. Now I just finished. I just installed this one. So now I will show you correct how to install this one. So now just check again. Screw deck, two light pole here, and find out this light. When you find out this light, you can check this way. This light color is yellow, black, and red. The other side is same, yellow, red, black. 3 light here and 3 light here, and make sure they are connected to 2 black, 2 red, 1 blue, 1 yellow. and find out this one. Small box color is white. Okay, this way you can check this way. 6 light here. 2 red, 2 black, 1 blue, 1 yellow. 1 yellow, okay? And then you can find out this one. This way. Just make sure black light and red light is connected or not. This way. And this way, just make sure red light is connected to black light. Black light connected to red light. So when you finish, make sure they're connected. No any problem. You can use tight, protect this way and this way. And then you can check this way. This light is from this way. We also have small box here. Color is black. Small box here. This way. Okay.